This is going to be the first video in a series of quite a few videos documenting the low voltage installation in a bar/restaurant. So let me just give you an overview of what's happening here. We have a existing dining room in a restaurant. The owner has purchased the space next door. He is currently building a bar there, and at some point in time the two will be joined together by a doorway. Currently they are separated. Now, I'm doing a lot of low voltage work here, audio system, camera system, and point of sale system. For this side of the dining room, not much is going to change. The point of sale system is going to stay here. It's going to get some cameras, and in terms of audio, we're going to upgrade the ceiling tile speakers to JBL ceiling tile speakers, probably about 4 of them. Low powered but very nice speakers indeed, and those will be connected to a Yamaha audio system. The processor will be MTX5-D, amplifier will be the XMV-8280-D, and the 2 subwoofers that I'm going to show you right now, the Yamaha DXS15XLF-D, and the D is for Dante. Everything will be talking on a switch, talking via Dante. So I'm not going to do an in-depth review of the subwoofer at this time. There's quite a bit to cover on this. I just wanted to give a short audio clip. Now, whether my Rode microphone that I have connected to my DSLR will pick up the audio, I'm not sure. However, let's go ahead and do it. Now, I'll just go here and explain. So, being that I don't have the Yamaha MTX5 or anything connected yet, I just wanted to test the subwoofer. So basically, I have downloaded Dante Virtual Sound Card and Dante Controller. Dante Virtual Sound Card is available for $30. Dante Controller is a free download. Okay, now I'm just going to play a video here from YouTube, just testing the low frequency response, the bass of the speaker. Of course, it's a subwoofer, so that's the whole point. Doesn't seem that the screen picks up. The camera doesn't pick up the screen very well for some reason. Not much to see. I'm just going to adjust the master volume up a little bit here. Right now this is running about minus 20 dB, close to it. About 3/4 power according to the SPL meter on the subwoofer. Shaking all the wine bottles, shaking the ceiling. Let's turn it up a little bit more. Turn that down. It's pretty good. It's shaking the whole room. Probably upsetting the neighbors, so we won't play too much of that right now. And that's about it. And we'll go over right now, and I'll give you a tour of the bar being built and all the low voltage work I am doing over there. I'll see you soon.